All right, the second homework for the week is on parallelograms. What is a parallelogram? It is a quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel. That's what defines a parallelogram. Some special properties about parallelograms is opposite sides are congruent. So this side is congruent to that side. This side is congruent to this side. We also know opposite angles are also congruent. So this and this are congruent, and these two are congruent. We also know that, I think they call it consecutive angles or next two angles are supplementary. Supplementary angles that are next to each other. Same thing here. Those two would be supplementary, those two are supplementary, those two are supplementary, or add to 180. We also know a few things about the diagonals. Diagonals, corner to corner, they bisect each other, meaning they split them into congruent parts. So this part is congruent to that part, and this part is congruent to this part. All right, that's the main properties there about parallelograms, and now we're going to do some problems about those ideas. So the first part of the homework says find all the missing angles and sides and label it on the picture. Okay, well, let's use our first property that opposite sides are congruent. So if that's 5, then this is 5. If this is 4, then this is 4. We also know opposite angles are congruent. So if this is 30, then this one must be 30. And we also know next two angles are supplementary. So if this is 30, then this must be 150 degrees because these are 180 together. Opposite angles are equal. Boom, that's what they want there for that one. All the outsides and all the angles inside. Another example, if this is 15, then this is 15. If this is 13, then this side is 13, right? Opposite sides are congruent. We also know that this is a triangle, so then this triangle must add to 180. Get my calculadora. So I would do 180 minus 32 and minus 20 to get my missing angle of the triangle. So then this would be 128. We also know opposite angles are congruent. We also know that these are alternate interiors, so then this would also be 32 degrees, and then this one would be 20 degrees. They are not congruent, they don't bisect each other, only if it was a rectangle would these be equal. So that's what they're looking for there. All right, in this example, find all the remaining sides. Okay, well we know diagonals bisect each other, so that must be the same, so this must be 8. That's 10, then this side must be 10. We know opposite sides are congruent. Boom, boom. And that's what they're looking for there. You can find every side given one of the sides. Well, you know what I mean. All right, is that it? One more example. Write and solve an algebraic equation for the picture. Well, here we know opposite angles are congruent. So I need to write my equation so then I know 3x plus 11 must equal 29. I need to see the equation on the homework to get full credit. And then we solve. We do 29 minus 11, bring that over, and then you would divide it by 3. So x would equal 6. Bam! All right, good luck on the homework.